From wild grasslands to fashion runways, wool from sheep has accompanied humans for thousands of years, providing warmth, creating style, and symbolizing status. As the fashion world shifts towards sustainability, wool is once again becoming a sought-after material. Each year, over 1.2 billion sheep are raised globally, producing around 1.1 million tons of wool, with Australia and New Zealand leading as top exporters. So how has wool managed to maintain its enduring appeal? Let's join Knoll Farm as we visit sheep farms around the world. The breeding season is the busiest time on the farm, with dozens of lambs born each day. Right after birth, each lamb is disinfected with iodine solution to prevent infection and fed with either mother's milk or a substitute during the first few days. To create vibrant colored yarns, the wool must go through a meticulous dyeing process using either natural or synthetic dyes. Once the fibers are spun and wound into uniform yarn balls, they move on to the knitting stage, a process entirely different from weaving. Each sheep can produce 2 to 8 kilograms of wool per year, and after just 8 to 12 months, their fleece grows thick and long, about 6 to 10 centimeters, reaching the ideal length for harvesting. Shearing is done with specialized clippers, and not everyone can do it. Skilled shearers use precise techniques to remove the fleece in one intact piece, making it easier to sort and process afterward. After sorting, the wool is fed into an industrial washing system using warm water and mild detergents to remove dirt, sweat, natural oils, and remaining impurities. After washing, the wool is dried and passed through a teasing machine to loosen and separate the fibers, making them fluffy and easier to card. The meat is then vacuum sealed using advanced packaging technology, preserving its freshness and original flavor. From these trays of meat, a wide variety of delicious dishes can be prepared. From charcoal grilled lamb ribs and pan-seared lamb loin to rich stews infused with Middle Eastern flavors. And that wraps up today's journey through the sheep farm. See you again on our next adventure. Ask ChatGPT. 80% of people around the world know that sugar is made from sugarcane. But how many realize that this sweet white crystal was once the cause of entire empires collapsing? To this day, the story of sugar has entered a new, modern chapter, with sugarcane cultivation becoming a series of precise, technological processes. Right now, let's explore how those sweet crystals are created, not just through the sweat of the fields, but also through the wonders of modern agricultural technology, yielding not only sugar, but also eco-friendly products from what once seemed like waste. And no, you're not seeing things. Once sugarcane reaches maturity and enters the harvest stage, farmers deliberately set the fields ablaze to burn off dry leaves, weeds, and drive away insects. This process exposes the cane stalks, making them easier to harvest and reducing the weight transported to the mill.